If you leave ice in a warm place, it melts and becomes liquid water. The temperature at which a solid melts is called the melting point. Water on the ground will gradually disappear as it changes to water vapor, an invisible gas. This is called evaporation. The warmer the water, the more quickly it evaporates. If you heat water until its temperature reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it will boil. All of the water rapidly changes to steam. Steam is water heated to the point that it turns into a gas. If the water vapor or steam touches something cold, it condenses and changes back to liquid water. This is called condensation. If you put liquid water in the freezer, it freezes and becomes ice. These changes are known as changes of state. When you measure the temperature, you use a thermometer. The liquid inside the thermometer expands as it gets hotter. You read the temperature from the scale. Make sure that your eye is level with the top of the liquid. When you measure the volume of a liquid, you use a measuring cylinder. The liquid forms a curve at the top called the meniscus. You measure the volume from the bottom of the meniscus. To do this, you must make sure that your eye is level with the meniscus.